I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad Trinidad full guide. Start by draining tuna and flaking it into a bowl, chop veggies fine, and zest lime over the mix. Add a creamy binder like mayo or plain yogurt, toss gently, and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and chopped hot pepper. Chill briefly to let flavors meld, then serve on crackers, bread, or lettuce leaves for a bright, island-inspired meal. In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad Trinidad full guide. Begin by prepping all ingredients. Dice onion fine, slice cucumber thin, and mince hot pepper if using. Use a fork to flake tuna and combine ingredients in a wide bowl so you can fold without overworking. Taste early and often, adding lime juice or a bit more salt to brighten the mix. Keep some texture for a satisfying mouthfeel and serve chilled. In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad Trinidad full guide. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a funny little companion after grocery runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad Trinidad full guide. Plate portions on toasted bread or in crisp lettuce cups, then sprinkle chopped herbs and a final squeeze of lime for brightness. Offer sliced cucumber or fried plantain on the side to complement the savory salad. For picnics, pack separately and assemble just before eating to keep textures fresh. Enjoy this easy, flavorful dish anytime you crave a quick island-inspired lunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.